We have Hiko in spawn.
Oh
Look at
my
that.
God,
This is
it is
perfect.
so-
Everyone
Okay.
needs a little Hiko here.
I'm giving everyone food to start it off.
Oh, that's nice of
my
you.
stream.
Yeah.
You're
Wait,
welcome.
wait. I don't eat meat.
Yeah, fuck off, King. Fuck off.
Oh no.
Okay, what are the rules, Devin? Come on.
Oh,
Yeah,
Oh,
spit
the
it out.
rules. Okay, so
Talk about
basically,
bounties.
We're
the
doing
only
rules.
thing I have to say is there's like bounties. If you donate 1,000 bits or like $10, whatever, you can have anybody you want murdered on the server.
Huh?
Yeah,
So
if
that's
you're
like our chats,
oh,
right?
yeah,
Not just
it's our
like
chat. Yeah, I mean, even you guys, you could come into my stream and be like, Devin, murder West shit, and I'll go kill him.
Dude, Valorant is a dead game. This is the move right now. The drip SMP. I feel like it's in my best interest to not have my house exposed, right? Like, we probably want to build some sort of alliance in Minecraft. I feel like that's a good idea. I think XTR is my homie. I don't think XTR would betray me. The other people I'm kind of up in the air with. WestJet seems like a chill dude, but like, you can't trust a man who has that much drip, right? Like if they have too much drip, they might lean either way. Whoever colonizes the village becomes incredibly powerful. Okay, so should I colonize the village? I don't think I'm good enough to do that right away. So we're probably gonna build a crafting table here. I know as much as that. So that way we can make a pickaxe and dig into that mountain that I was talking about. So we're gonna build it in this mountain. This seems like an okay location right here, right? This is how you build a crafting table. That'll get us a crafting table. So we're gonna put this right here. Nice, pog. Nice. Okay, see, I've played enough Minecraft to understand this. I'm kind of a Minecraft genius, I know. No big deal. This is like pretty decent. And then this is gonna be the entrance right here. Nice. I don't think I need to dig too deep. I think this is as deep as I'm gonna go here for the house. And then like, we can do it later. We can like renovate later, right? Clear this out a little bit, get our home looking fresh, set up a bed so that way we can invite XTR into our place. He'll come hang out with us, you know, like XTR likes me. We're like pretty chill. Maybe he wants to share a bed. Maybe he could put his Minecraft bed next to mine, you know? I just want to get to the point where I control some people, you know? I'm definitely a bit of a troll. And if I can get there, it'll be great. But first, I need to start out. Okay, okay. Nice, we got our own little cave now. Enough room, brighten this up, you know. So the thing in like American like architecture, I believe, is like higher ceilings right now, you know. Like if you have a higher ceiling, it makes it feel roomier. I'm teaching you guys some architecture here, you know. Like I want to be able to listen in on the town, so I think I'm gonna make like a hidey hole somewhere around here, you know? First, let's go to this though and make a door because I am very afraid of that spider. Maybe if I like delete this door and put it further back, it'll be harder to see. I see no problems with this right now. Now I'm gonna keep digging this way because I want to get like a secret spy shack right here. I can like spy on the people in the village, you know. Oh shit, no. Oh god. Don't dig straight down. Is that a bad idea? Why not? I have a ladder. Dude, I'm so good at this game. Oh my god. Okay. Nice. Okay, sweet. Nice. Okay, chest. Nice. Okay, we have a chest. Let's make two because bigger chests look cooler. Yeah, boy. No, no, no. Oh god, leave me alone. Oh god, we're going the other way. There's a chest up here. Somebody loot this already? Stealing villager beds? Is that a thing? Oh my god, guys. That does not sound ethical. I mean, can you imagine if somebody just stole your fucking bed? We'd be pretty pissed off. Also, kind of impressed. Curse of Binding. When on feet, 1 armor. Don't. Free drip, courtesy of XTR. Oh, XTR. If XTR is gonna give it to me, it must be decent. So I mean, we'll take some. Wait, you take all of these, dude. It's free drip. I mean, come on. Fish, nice. Oh, this is the last sheep I need. He's about to burn alive, but like, man, poor guy. He's kind of stuck up there, dude. I'm not about to make his life easier, but I don't want him to burn though. I gotta be careful for that. Hey, buddy, come down. Come down, little buddy. Yeah, this way, dude. This way. I got you. I'm gonna help you out. I'm here to assist. Yeah, that's all good, buddy. Just right there. Nice. I don't think that's happened. We got more! Dude, we're about to fuck these sheep up. Now XTR won't have an excuse for staying at my place. I'll have 2 beds. 1 for him, 1 for me. Okay. We have a lot of boots from XTR. What a guy, you know.
I mean, do you really want to fight me?
Bro.
Okay, now I can make a sword. So I can go help him. I gotta go help him. It sounds like a means bullying someone. tanky as fuck.
I'm like at
Hello?
the base, man. Sven killed me.
You're at the base?
Did
he?
Yeah. I have no
Dude.
idea why you
What a
can hear
guy.
me.
That pisses me off because
going
that
after
means
Devin
Swens
right
is
now.
It was
probably
Swens,
getting
man. It
paid,
was Swens.
dude. He looked decked out. How do you
killed
guys
Devin.
play this game? I'm getting shot at by a skeleton and it's not making. Guys, I am so scared right now.
Come in our house. Come in our house.
Oh, is this your house?
Yeah.
Oh, with the lava?
Adopted it.
Interesting.
It was the villagers, but we took it over.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Levin's
fuck, he
better.
just shot me through the window.
There you go. What's up?
Oh, there's so much drip down here. This is crazy. You guys are decked out. Do you go mining right away?
Dude, we are not decked out.
Yeah, we're actually really
we got
behind.
killed like for the first. 20
Well, to
minutes.
give you context of how not decked out I am, you guys are so decked out right now. Like, Key, are you the one in the cave? Or?
You guys, I'm close to like WestJet. I don't
Yeah,
really.
Bro, I should have ran. I should have ran with this stuff, dude.
What the fuck is that?
I should have ran with this stuff, dude.
Jesus fuck! What is going on? I was told not to look at Enderman. Oh god. How do I get out of here? I'm so
Run
scared.
away, King. Run away. And you.
Oh my god, that was a skeleton spawner. Oh god.
Can we trust that?
Don't trust anyone.
How do I get out of?
There's no way to win this if he's gonna spawn.
Oh no 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 no.
I mean,
He had a stack. Hold
Where
on. He
there's-
had a stack of food. He had 2 stacks of food. He had 2 stacks of stuff.
God, man. I need some gear. I need some diamonds, man.
Jesus fuck, leave me alone. Oh no no no. Okay. They found iron. So I can't just sit here and not have any iron. So I'm gonna have to dig, right? We're to convert our home into the mine it needs to be to bring our rule to rise. With this new recent information that Sven's is killing everybody on the server, it's kind of nice that I built my house hidden. Now, I'm not sure if this is like a common practice for people or if I'm just a genius. I know, I'm just a genius. But I'm feeling pretty confident with our location of our home right now.
Okay, well, I'll-
I'm good.
Iron, let's
I want
go!
some food, bro.
Okay, so we're gonna build a furnace now. And after we build the furnace, we can use our newly acquired iron to build armor. So I look less like a pleb.
Yeah, sure.
Are
Double
you
Big
on
Mac.
land?
Why is this not
I'm
working?
getting on, yeah.
Proximity.
Yeah, I'll take a double Big Mac.
Cool. This is never a good sign when I hear lava and I'm digging on gravel. I can already feel it. Like, this is a bad
dude.
idea, but
Bro, don't do it.
okay. We've made it. Okay. So here's our lava. Nice. Okay, so we made it. We made it somewhere. Oh, Pog. Dude, we're finding shit. Okay, so boys and lady boys, let's find our way out of here. Devin gave me like 20 beef at the very beginning. So I'm still vibing.
Wait, how do you have
I don't know. He just gave it to me. Devin has a lot of beef, especially with a lot of creators, dude.
Cheating! Exposed.
So we got some iron. Throw this sucker in there. Can only sleep at night or during thunderstorms. Heard. Yeah, I'll be on it a little bit. You guys can see the learning process again. He stole your wife. Yeah, but I love him still. Hopefully he'll share a bed with me sometime throughout this SMP. But other than that, I will see you guys in a little bit.